mean, at this point, I've tried to film this intro like 30 times and it is so bad and so forced. So we're just gonna do it at this really ugly angle. And you know, I just really can't film with people. I don't know what it is. I just get way too nervous. But here we have James today. You know, he's been on my channel before, if you guys have seen me bleach his hair. I'm gonna have him do 5 different outfits on me. And hold on, I actually had Julie pick up these outfits for me, like, because I want to theme them. By the way, this video is definitely inspired by Steal the Spotlight, so if you guys haven't seen that, I will link that down below. I'm not sure if other people have done it, but I just thought it was a really fun way to do a lookbook, but definitely way more vlog style. I was gonna just, you know, say everything, like all the outfits, but I feel like it'll be more fun if I kind of just pop it and you'll know the outfits like as we go. So we're just gonna get right on into it because I have no idea how long this video is gonna be. And as you know, I hate filming intros with other people because they just sit there and you like don't really know what to say. So the first thing that I'm gonna have him style is actually going to be a graphic tee. So I'm gonna just, you know, get up. So I have this entire drawer. If you guys watch my channel, you'll know that I'm literally obsessed with graphic tees. Like, that is everything that I ever wear, and I have this entire drawer just filled with graphics. Like, this is like 3 layers. And then if you go into my closet, I actually have like some graphics hung, so you know, whether it's like a long sleeve or any of that. So I'm just gonna have him take over and he's gonna do the graphics. I'm gonna have him do only like a top, a bottom, and I'm not gonna do jewelry just because I feel like I have so much jewelry, it's insane. So I'm just gonna stick it to the basics, whether he wants to add a belt, shoes, and a purse, and that's like it. You know, maybe if he wants to change up my hair, if you want to add a hat, you can do a hat, but that's it. You know, jewelry, I'm just gonna stick to like this basic thing that we got going on, or else I feel like it would give him a headache. The rule is you cannot pick any outfits that you have seen me wear before.
That doesn't make sense.
No, like a graphic, like if you know, something that I wear on my Instagram, or a graphic tee. Like, I always wear a graphic tee and like biker shorts. Like, that's like my go-to. Like, literally that's what I'm wearing right now, except I'm just wearing these like Adidas shorts. So you can't do that. You have to pick something new. You know, do you want to do a band tee, or do you want to do like a Harley tee, or like a funny graphic tee?
I don't know. I'm gonna have to look through them.
So come on, let's do this.
This one?
Oh yeah.
We'll miss this action.
See, that's what I mean.
What?
You can't do that one.
Why?
I literally just wore that one in an Instagram photo the other day.
This is the one I picked because I bought it and it's my favorite shirt, but she says she used it on Instagram already.
All right, let's see. What do we have in here? He has so many options. And remember, you can go in the closet too. You can pick a long sleeve if you want. Okay. Guns N' Roses.
Brittany?
Brittany, yeah, Brittany. So these are his picks that he gets to choose from. So we have like a Street Vibrations one, a Guns N' Roses, and a long sleeve Dickies. Well, you don't have to pick right now because you still have to pick pants. You're doing an entire outfit.
I have to
bag.
pick pants according to what?
Yeah.
So I gotta pick right now.
You don't have to pick right now. What if, like, you can go in there right now and pick pants and the one that you like the best? So you have all of these. So these are like all the jeans and pants. I have corduroy pants right there. I have like all my actual denim jeans. You can pick a skirt. You could even pick any of these, you know? You could even pick a slip skirt. You can do whatever you want.
You know what ones I'm gonna pick, don't you?
No.
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't. Oh my god. Okay, this is what he has so far, but he does not like the shirt with this, which I would agree, because I feel like just what's going on, I don't know, just like the silhouette of me, I look like a box.
It's honestly way harder than it looks. I've never styled a girl before.
Just putting necklaces on me right now.
Backwards.
Why do you choose to do it in the front? Why are you not going through the back? Are you serious? Yeah, so we have this necklace. I am literally obsessed with this one. By the way, this is from Forever 21 if you guys are curious. It's like one of my favorite necklaces. Remember, you can change stuff out. You can do whatever you want.
Got it.
So we have Crybaby. Yep.
Okay.
That's what we want.
This was actually way harder than it looked, but this is what I have come up with. So the baggy shirts, I just like baggy shirts. I have no idea why, but I love them. The pants, I don't know if I'm biased because when I met her, she was wearing those pants, but they're my favorite pants. And then I also like the Doc Martens a lot, so I think they look good with those pants, personally. And then the bag, you know, all black. It needed something to pop. Starting from like where it started, which you guys saw in the beginning, I feel like this is way better. And he did add a belt. Yes. But you can't even see it. But I appreciate it because now, you know, I can hold it up. Yeah. Even though I don't really need a belt to hold these pants up. I feel like I like this outfit, but the only thing I would change is the way that you layered the necklaces is like super awkward, but it was supposed to not do that. Yeah, you know, maybe like this. That's what I tried for. Also, he did say that it looked better with my hair up because everything was baggy, so it like looked awkward. And then, you know, when the hair is up, it looks better. So for the second outfit, I'm gonna have him do kind of like a date night. So he can do a skirt, he can do a dress, he can literally do whatever he wants. He could even pick these pants. We can't do these pants again, but he could even do jeans. It's just if we were gonna go on a date and you were gonna dress me, what would you pick? It could be formal. It could literally be like a ball gown. So. Okay, this is what I picked. Okay, explain it. I don't know, I just kind of thought, you know, it was a cool little dress slash skirt thing, you know? No, definitely just a dress. But it's like a skirt, kind of. Because that's what a dress is. I don't know. What is it? I don't know, it's cool. And it's like, kind of like tight up here. Her hair looked better down with it. I think her hair looks good down. And she doesn't wear it like that too often. So I put her hair down. And then I gave her these boots with buttons that are really hard to get on. I think I've only seen her wear these one time, but I like them, so I picked it. And then we got the bag. Got a chain on it. It goes with the black and white. I can't get every, oh yeah, there we go. Perfect, yes. For this third one, I'm gonna have him dress me as an Instagram hoe. Which just means that you're gonna, I don't wanna call this basic, you know, but I feel like an Instagram hoe just means like very popular items. You're not gonna know what that is either. I don't know how to describe it. Just like bad bitch. Hoey, got it. No, like, you see this girl on Instagram and you're like double tapping that, you know? I don't double tap any pictures. Okay. Wearing something that usually was sent to her for free, showing a lot of tits and ass, and she's literally only wearing that outfit in the photo, and she's not gonna wear it like outside. Like, you know damn well she just put it on, took the photo, and took it off. Yeah, so you definitely would wear it outside. Okay, well, there's that. Also, it's kind of ironic that he dressed me in this dress because this is a dress I got for free. So, you know, here he goes. This could have been an Instagram hoe outfit, but it's not. You now have to find it. You have your terms. Now you gotta pick it. So James is officially fired from taking like shots of me because the lighting is so bad and the angles are just so terrifying. So I'm gonna show it to you guys through this mirror of the Instagram hoe, but I'm gonna have him explain it just because I feel like you can see, I mean, you can't see this better, but the angles were just awful. I'm just not a pro. Well, the shorts are like Daisy Duke kind of shorts, so it's immediately, you know, hot Instagram quality. The top, you have to show boob, so. I mean, this is not really showing boob, but it's on point because I did get this for free, so it's kind of like Instagram hoe. Honestly, this outfit low-key reminds me of Devin Carlson, like something she would wear, minus the belt. Like, I feel like she wouldn't wear the belt with it, but I don't know. I think he did good with this outfit because I definitely would wear this out. I'm not even kidding. Oh my god.
Okay, well there's that. He just took it off.
I kind of like it without the belt, honestly.
Okay. And
then the bag, I don't know. It just seems Instagram Chloe. I don't.
So my camera ran out of room, so that was so rude. But as you were saying with the bag, this I feel like was really popular like a couple years ago, and I did get this one from Forever 21, and I think that's it.
Yep.
Like that's the entire outfit.
Kind of a hot outfit.
Kind of hot outfit. So the next little thing that we have going on, let's see, is gonna be Hot Girl Summer. Even though Hot Girl Summer is almost over, I mean, this is definitely like a Hot Girl Summer outfit. But the difference is this is Hot Girl Summer like girls night out. Like not really clubbing, like it could be like you're going to the club, you know? Or it could just be you're getting mimosas, but think Hot Girl Summer. You go out to the bar and you see a group of girls. You know, what are they wearing? You see a picture of Bethany and her 5 friends.
Who the fuck is Bethany?
I don't know. Tiffany, Cassandra.
I don't know any of them.
Like if it's Bethany, Cassandra, Tiffany, and Allison, and they all pose together in a photo for Instagram, and they're like, girls night out. Okay. What are they wearing?
Okay.
You know? Like what do you see? What do you see them wearing? That's what you're picking.
I kind of see like the same thing as the moon thing, but like short sleeve.
The moon thing?
Yeah, the dress.
That's not Hot Girl Summer. That's Hot Topic Girl Summer.
Mimosas.
Mimosas. Okay, that's like, come on.
That's legit.
Actually, I can't help you with this. You pick. That's a graphic.
Yeah,
would you see someone named Tiffany or Bethany wearing this?
No, because I'm picturing
an Alpha Fifi.
I'm picturing this as like a
Okay,
dress.
how about we redo this? What would a sorority girl wear? Going out, you're going out to the club and you're taking shots. That's all you get.
This is what I picture. It took me a couple tries to get something down because I didn't know what I was looking for. So, crop top Harley Davidson shirt, San Jose, California. And then I got this sticky ass sweaty looking skirt.
Ooh.
Just looks hoey and clubby, I guess, you know? Club material, I don't know. Snakeskin boots.
Show me the shoes you were gonna use before.
They're just a little bit over the top, you know? Perfect. And then the Chanel bag. Let's see it.
The fake Chanel bag.
Yeah.
It's really easy to tell that it's fake.
No, it's perfect.
Show the shoes.
These right here, I originally picked.
Would you wear those to the club?
And she pretty much disowned me. But I thought they were, you know, I thought they were legit, so. That's what we got.
Oh, and the sunglasses.
Oh yeah, the sunglasses on top of the head.
Because you said they're for mimosas.
Yeah, mimosa, if you're mimosas in the morning.
The last outfit that we're gonna be doing is Christian Girl Autumn, which I feel like doesn't make sense, but if you guys have a Twitter and you're into memes, then that's the only way it makes sense. So Christian Girl Autumn is pretty much just the opposite of what we've been doing. It's gonna be very reserved, okay? Just think fall time, think jackets.
Conservative.
Not conservative, you know, but just cute, you know?
We're gonna act like
just
we don't
fall.
have boobs and ass.
No, we can act like I have boobs and ass, but we're just gonna do that right now. I feel like you did so good. Like this is literally so cute. Like I'm not even kidding. Like this entire thing. Also, this entire lookbook might have as well just been you styling graphics because
that's all I wear is graphic tees, so.
we just have a graphic, so you're gonna take over and you're gonna just show everyone the little fits.
Okay, so
Why you picked it?
everything. Okay, I picked NSYNC because we were going Christian Girl Autumn.
Yeah.
And it was just kind of funny because, you know, NSYNC. I picked all the glasses or necklaces. I don't know, I just tried to layer them legit, and then I've never seen this one before, so I decided to pick it. And then also that I
stole it from my mom.
Okay, that's mother's necklace. And then the J, you know, my name is James, so the pants remind me of autumn because it's autumn colors, obviously, for fall. I don't know. The shoes, open toe, I don't know, just seemed like they fit really well. So yeah, I went with those. And then the bag.
That Mariah got me.
Yep, Mariah got that bag. I don't know, it just seemed like it needed something to pop a little bit, and the bag was it. So the hat, it's just kind of like a clean little hipster feel, I guess. I don't know. It just kind of goes with the vibe, I guess.
Is that it?
I just like the hat. That's it.
Wet. This is the end. I don't know what else to say.
Next time we'll have her style me.
Oh, ooh, that would be kind of fun. Yeah, also let me know if you guys want to see like another, like the same video, but like him styling other things, you know, because I feel like the whole thing was just graphic tees. But if you guys want to leave suggestions of like what you guys want to see him style, like if you want to see him style me in like skirts or like trends or something like that, you know.
I'm only getting better.
Yeah, he's only getting better, and I promise I'll be like a better setup next time. And yeah, I guess that's it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.